Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to make some quick and easy fall DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I'm using this fall decor. Now this is from Dollar Tree, as you can tell. This is already beautiful as is, but honestly it's not my type. So using this paint scraper that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree, I'm going to remove the welcome fall. It is in like a 3D and it's wood, which I really like. So for this you have to be very careful and take your time, because I was trying to rush and I accidentally broke the welcome, even though at the end you can't tell because I did glue it together. Fall was very easy to remove. I did have more trouble with the welcome. And this is how it looks once you remove the welcome sign. So now you just have to clean up the welcome and fall. And I try to remove the rest of the paper, but I wasn't able, so I just sent it down, and I am going to cover that up using this beautiful scrapbooking paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm using this glue stick to glue this, and as you can see, it didn't cover the entire thing. So to cover the two ends, I'm going to use some paint sticks, which I am going to paint using the Waverly chalk paint. Sorry, not the Waverly chalk paint, the Waverly Antique Wax. Once they're dry, I'm going to glue them one on each end. I did glue the welcome sign together, and honestly you can't even tell I accidentally broke it. But as you can see, it doesn't fit in here. So I am going to cut like that little curve at the end of the E. I'm going to glue the welcome sign like more towards the bottom, because on top I'm going to add a pumpkin. I do want to show you the different kinds of pumpkins Dollar Tree carries. They carry these, which are new. Look how beautiful it is. And they also carry these 3D or this wood one right here, and they carry these cutouts. Now I do want to show you some other ones which you can grab at Hobby Lobby. They are $1.99, but they're always 40% off, so they're like $1.50 or $1 something, which honestly I like the Hobby Lobby ones way better. So if you can't find any at Dollar Tree, definitely go check out Hobby Lobby. So I decided to use the orange one instead. I'm going to make a bow using the jute twine and add it to the stem of the pumpkin. But before that, I am going to add the other little piece that I removed from the E on the pumpkin. To finish this off, I'm going to add some jute twine to make this into a hanger. And this completes this beautiful welcome ball, which honestly, it looks so much better than the original one. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree Decor. This does have a bead hanger, which I removed. And I'm using the leftover scrapbooking paper, which I'm going to add a strip here. I'm going to cut it to size and glue it. So after cutting the strip, there was this piece left over, and I really love that image of this pumpkin. So what I'm going to do is just cut it around. I also like some other images on this same picture, so I'm going to cut a few and then just glue them around this decor sign. So now I'm going to use these Happy Fall wood cutouts that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were $1.99, but they were 40% off, so they were like cheaper than that. So now I'm going to glue one of these, and that is it. And look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using this wood box, which this is a pineapple and the pumpkin cutout. So I'm going to paint the pumpkin using a mixture of these two. Well, I thought I was going to use a already chalk paint, but I ended up using two other ones that I had because that one was very dry. And I decided to use this wood box instead of the pineapple one, which I painted using the same color as the pumpkin. So now I'm going to just glue the pumpkin in front of the wood box. Now I'm going to add some of these beautiful picks that I recently got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to just cut them and then add them inside the box. To finish this off, I'm going to add a small little jute twine bow on the pumpkin. And that is it. Look how beautiful this fall planter turned out. that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.